Hey dear. We are going to show you Top 5 Projector Android under $500 2020. Best Reviews Video Projector, Mini Projector we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find the link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with Top 5 Projector Android under $500 2020. Number 5 Brand Name, TouYinger. Feature 100% to 75% display zoom. Connect to a computer through the HDMI cable or VGA cable, even your projector. Set in the fixed distance, you can also use the display zoom to adjust the projection size. USB mode supports display zoom when you're playing videos or pictures. Brand and model T26L T26K. Technology type LED LTPS technology. LCD matrix 6.3-inch 1 LCD. Resolution native, 1920x 1080p. Brightness 5800 lumens. TouYinger T26L T26K 1080p LED Full HD Projector Video Beamer 5800 Lumen FHD 3D Home Cinema HDMI. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4 Brand Name, Zatco. Description: Zatco C2 4K Full HD 1080p LED Projector Android 10.0 Wi-Fi Smart Home Theater Video Projector with Digital Keystone Correction. Real Native Resolution 1920x1080, Full HD 1080p. Rich interface with HDMI USB SD, compatible with multiple devices. Built-in Hi-Fi 10W2 speaker. Shocking sound quality, Android versions support AC3 file decoding. Max 250-inch large image, 4 times larger than 60-inch TV. 13-year life, no future codes, like 50.000 hours. If used 10 hours per day, it can use 5,000 days. Optional external Android 10.0, watch online videos, play games freely. Support 4K online video. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3 Brand Name, Vivicine. Keystone Correction, Manual Correction. Type, Digital Projector. Plug type, UK plug. Plug type, US plug. Plug type, ADU plug. Plug type, EU plug. Screen scale, 4:316:9. Portable, no power, 150W zoom, x 1.5. ANSI lumens, 650 ANSI lumens. Home theater projector, yes, projection technology, LCD. System, Android optical resolution, 1920x 1080 dpi. Brightness, 6500 lumens. Vivicine M20 newest 1080p projector option. Android 9.0 1920x 1080 Full HD LED. Home theater video projector beamer, support AC3. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2 Brand Name, Crinova. Keystone Correction, Manual Correction. Type, Digital Projector. Plug type, EU plug. Plug type, US plug. Plug type, ADU plug. Plug type, UK plug. ANSI lumens, 680 ANSI lumens. Home theater projector, yes, projection technology, LED. System, Android model number, C750. Projected dimension, 30 to 300 inches. Light source, LED Crinova 6800 lumens Full HD 1080p physical resolution. Android 8.0 OS. Newest video LED projector with home theater projectors. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 1 brand name, Crenova. Description: brightness, 2000 lumens. Physical resolution, 854x480, God. Display technology, DMD-DLP 0.3 inch. Throw ratio, 1.19:1. Distance width. Keystone, vertical 40 degrees, horizontal 40 degrees, tips, under HDMI none. Projection size, 30 to 120 inches. System hardware. System, Android operating system 7.1.2. CPU, PK3128, Cortex-A7 1.2 GHz. GPU, ARM Mali 450 GPU Crenova 2019 newest mini projector X2 with Android 7.1 OS Wi-Fi Bluetooth 2G plus 16G, support 4K video portable 3D projector beamer. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.